Welcome to the ESChat tutorial on the Aina PTT Smart Button. In this video, we will demonstrate how to pair the Aina PTT Smart Button to an Android device. ESChat is compatible with numerous professional Bluetooth options, such as headsets, speakers, and PTT buttons. For a list of tested accessories, visit the ESChat support page. To pair, first, make sure your Aina PTT Smart Button has been cleared and is in pairing mode. This is done by holding all three buttons down at once. A green light will indicate that the device is ready to pair. Then, confirm that Bluetooth is enabled in your Android device settings menu. Note that the device will be identified by the part number found on the back of the button. A window will open prompting you to select Cancel or Pair. Select Pair to continue. When initial pairing is complete, open the ESChat app. Once in the ESChat app, select the navigation drawer and go to the Settings menu. Then, select General. Then select the PTT Button option. Choose Bluetooth LE. ESChat will automatically begin scanning for Bluetooth devices. Once the Aina PTT Smart Button appears, select it. The status will reflect connected when the pairing is complete. Users also have the option to utilize the Bluetooth Always On feature. This feature, when enabled, will maintain a constant connection to a Bluetooth device. When successfully paired, the Aina PTT Smart Button will remain paired with the Android device even when both are powered down. To enable Bluetooth Always On, return to the Settings menu by pressing the back arrow. Then select Advanced. Scroll down and toggle on Bluetooth Always On. Lastly, we will demonstrate how to make a call with the Aina PTT Smart Button from the Channels tab. Navigate to the Channels tab by pressing the back arrow until you reach the Contacts tab. Then, select the Channels tab icon. Once at the Channels tab, enable the desired channel by selecting the RX and TX button. Then, press and hold the Aina PTT Smart Button. Upon hearing the grant tone, begin speaking. Release the PTT button when you are finished speaking. The call will idle timeout when the configurable hang timer expires. Or you may press RX to manually end the call. This can be done from the Channels tab or the Expanded Call widget. Tap the Call widget to expand. The Call widget displays in-call information, such as who is transmitting and when the call is idle. To leave the call, deselect RX. To exit the Call widget, tap anywhere outside the Call widget window. For additional assistance, visit the ESChat support page.